Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the battery health of your Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Battery. From the left menu in Battery Settings, select Battery again. Click Battery Health. Here you can see your battery condition and your battery's maximum capacity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.